Alright y'all, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. This is a sludge sucker. This is a big tank. We have this big tank filling up with water for a job tomorrow. And I want to show you something that I was hoping actually to modify a slightly different way. But what's always a challenge with the sludge sucker is that you got to connect your hose up to this with your ball valve. And then what you're doing is you're then dropping that to the bottom of whatever solution. Well, if it's a puddle, it's not a big deal. If you're transferring from a big tank, it's going to go all the way to the very bottom and can be a little bit of a challenge to deal with. What I wanted to do, and you can see this is really nice and rusted, I was unable to take this piece out, but is to just throw a small jumper hose into it. Give me 1 second. Alright, so now that's on, and check this out. So now we can go ahead and I'll throw a zip tie around this to keep this up taut. Might throw a couple, whatever. But throw a zip tie right there. Now I can drop this whole thing into the tank and still be able to control my water flow from the top. So if all of a sudden I need to shut it off real quick, we can do that. Whoever's handling it, they don't have to yank the whole thing out, shut it off. And see this right here, the hose clamp. It's always just asking for issues. Just cut your hands up, jack it up there. I mean, it really, when you're talking about it for a jumper hose, I mean, you're really only talking one extra thing. This is, I've got two pieces, but if you just put a 3 to 4 or 5 foot jumper hose on it, again, you could tape it, you could do whatever with it on here, but now it gives me that added control and easier access on it. So we just went ahead and threw that on there, and we are good to go. Sludge sucker, you can find it from any of the basically any of the vendors that we usually use, or you can find them sometimes on Amazon. We've got 200 feet, either 200 or 300 feet of 1.5 inch hose. It's a beast. We'll get about 80 gallons a minute transferring water out of this. Job tomorrow, we're bringing 1,500 gallons of water with us, just so we don't have to deal with any other stuff there, and that'll be enough water for us. But so this will just be taken with us, this 525 gallon tank, and that's it. So just a little modification for the sludge sucker. Have a great day.